Having troubles getting a virtual queue for TRON or Guardians of the Galaxy at Walt Disney World? Follow this video. First, we're going to go to time.gov in our browser. We want to see the atomic clock time. Right now it's 6:59:07, so we got about 50 seconds to get everything else set up here. We're going to pull up the My Disney Experience app. I've got it optimized on my phone like it's a game. It's prioritized. Scroll down here. I'm going to find the Join Virtual Queue button right there. We're going to click on that. Confirm your party. It's just me today, so I want to make sure I'm loaded there. Don't touch that refresh button just yet. We want to make sure we can see time.gov in a browser, so I'm going to put that in a window on top of the My Disney Experience app. Now I'm just going to wait. I don't have much time, 20 seconds or so. At 6:59:59, we're going to click that refresh button, but not yet. For the best shot at this, make sure you're not on park Wi-Fi and you have a good, strong cellular internet connection. We're looking for low latency. So here in 8 seconds, we're gonna click that refresh button. It's important you don't click that refresh button just yet. So here in 3, 2, 1, click, join virtual queue, and it's already there. Group 1, done, and we'll wait for it to refresh. There we are on our page, virtual queue. Headed to TRON first thing in the morning. Follow me for more tips and tricks.